the intelligence standards would only be full when these elements are properly considered in the analysis of this concept. It was only in 1983 that the psychologist Howard Gardner developed his theory of multiple intelligences. In this study, he entered the purpose of covering both the concepts of intrapersonal intelligence and the interpersonal intelligence. According to this scholar, tools like the IQ does not fully elucidate the potential of knowledge acquisition. IQ versus QE. The intelligence quotient, IQ, and the emotional quotient, EQ, are different capacities, but not antagonistic. Rather, one should seek to articulate the intellectual skills and the emotional, using emotion to facilitate reason and reason to manage emotion functionally. Although separate realities, there is an interdependent
elucidate, elucidate, elucidate.